everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Temu account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Temu application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Temu has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom of this interface, you'll be able to find the options like Home, Categories, U and Cart. Simply tap on the U option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, find the option for sign in or register and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in or register interface. You'll be able to find the sign in methods over here. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, continue with phone number. So simply tap on the sign in method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to continue with email. If you also selected that option, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. So simply tap on the field, please enter your email address. Now provide your email address over here. After doing that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, enter your password over here. Now after you enter the password, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Temu account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.